G'day, how are you? Welcome to Culinary 108, the Friended House, and it's week 2, day 2 lecture. And today we're going to concentrate on the project. All right, I have some calls about the project, but first I want to talk about your assignments, making sure you get your assignments in on time, doing the assignments. It's very, very, very important, people. Please get that done. All right, the forums. When I do a forum for you, you need to do one, answer the question of that forum, and then you have to reply to 2 of your other colleagues, to the other students. You have to reply on theirs, and that's something that's constructive and talking about what is actually in their answer to the forum. All right, don't make up all this other stuff and say you're not supposed to be doing this and doing that. It's just agreeing or disagreeing with their topic, with their answer to the topic. All right, so stay focused on those forums, stay focused on the assignments, and then the other grading rubric that we're going to be doing is this project. All right, so as I discussed earlier, your project will be in 2 parts. You're going to have assignment 1 and you're going to have assignment 2, and with that we're going to start with assignment 1, which is going to be due on Monday, April 27th, and this is the first start. And again, this goes with menus and facilities, so you need to start getting into menus and facilities project also. So with assignment 1, you have to write a 3-course celebration party menu for 25 people. Okay, so it's 3 courses, your choice: soup, salad, entree, dessert. You know, that would probably be the best one, or an appetizer, entree, dessert. They're the most popular choices out there. It needs to be themed, so you need to let me know if it's for a birthday, if it's for, like we discussed before, a bar mitzvah, a graduation, at all. This is real important. All right, so with those 3 courses, you're gonna have to have the menu items with that, right? And the menu items are gonna go with your part 2 of this project. So you need to theme it, you need to have a choice of courses and what those items are going to be on those courses, not just appetizer, entree, dessert. You gotta give me what the menu item will be, right? And it's gonna be for 25 people, so you gotta think what portion size, how much portions you're gonna need of each product, and how you're gonna serve it, right? So with this, that'll roll into assignment 2, and that assignment 2 is gonna be due on May 11th, all right, May 11th, so 2 weeks after that, which will be bringing everything together. And assignment 2, all right, what type of service you're going to be using? How about a wine pairing, all right, or a beer pairing? I probably prefer wine. If you look behind me, there's a wine book right there, but there's, on Google, you do your chicken, say you're doing chicken chasseur as an entree, what will pair with chicken chasseur, and Google, Bing, and it'll give you some names. I don't need a Cabernet, I don't need a white Zinfandel, I don't need a Zinfandel. I need to know a specific vineyard, all right? So Clos du Bois, Cabernet Sauvignon, 2011, and that'll be the wine, all right? You're gonna actually have to cost that wine out. So when you're Googling, and you're Googling the wine, maybe it's champagne or sparkling wine. You guys know the difference there? Champagne and sparkling wine? Well, champagne, all right? Champagne is made in Champagne, France. Anywhere else, it's called sparkling wine, okay? So that's just the laws that have been sent down from the wine gods. Every champagne is a sparkling wine, but not every sparkling wine is a champagne. All right, so we need to find out in assignment 2, what type of service are you going to be doing? Is it going to be family style? Is it going to be all plated, American cuisine, right? Russian cuisine, English cuisine, French, style. I mean, what we're going to do with the styles of service, all right? French, banquet, buffet. I'd like to see a plated of some sort and not a buffet, but this is what you need to come up with. What will the cost be for the meal? So that means you have to cost out that wine and you have to cost out the menu, all right? Project the needs of that, justify your price per person. Is it going to be $25 a person, $35 a person, $45 a person, $150 a person? All right. It could be a prefix menu. We've talked about this. I think that would be your best bet. A prefix menu. Everything's included. A wine pairing's included. $100 a person. You have 1 course. You have 2 course. You have a 3 course. It'll be a wine pairing with each of those. And we'll get into wines in that next week, I think. Week 4 we'll be getting into that. All right, so week 3, end of week 3, week 4. All right, so that's the project. So coming in 2 parts. First one's gonna be due on Monday. Was it 27th? Is that what it is? 27th, and then the other one will be due 2. I'm trying to look up here on April 27th, and then May 11th will be the final one with all of it together. Okay, so doing that, and we'll get into give me a second here. The computer's a little slow. There we go. So that's the project. Now we have an assignment for week 2, assignment 1. What style of service would you use? Right? I don't know if you guys have been into that yet, but what style would you use is the assignment. And I'll click into that and go over that with you. 1 person submitted over already. Open. Very nice day out. So what style of service would you use for a 4-course party of 20? Right, and explain your answer. What style of service? And I've given you those resource videos and to go in and take a look at everything. So for week 2, you have resource videos that I give, the steps of service resource video, the food and beverage service, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I've given you some, the drink menu from Pinnacle Club, and in the last week you have I think the wine list from Edgar's. That'll help you out with pairings if you want to do that. All right, steps of service, that's what's the big one, but the styles of service, traditions, that's what you need to go by and find out what we went over this on day 1 of week 2. So now you need to come in and get that for the assignment, okay? Figure out which one you want to do. Right, and then running on Friday or day 3 of week 2, should be Friday, right? We will be discussing some more stuff, all right, to help you out going into week 3. Because week 3, we're going to do front of the house positions and maybe going into a lot of week 4 to help you with the beverage program and wine program. And that'll help you with doing your selection for your wine pairings. Okay. Alrighty. So again, make sure we're doing our assignments. I'll be putting up another assignment and another forum question to be answered over the weekend. All right, we got to get that done. Keep working on that project. The first part of it has to be done when? By Monday, all right? By Monday the 27th. All right, and I think that should be it. So this is a real quick one for today. I'll get into more detail on Friday, a lot more, and hopefully you'll have a good day. Stay on top of your assignments. Stay healthy. Looks like the governor is opening up a few things. You might be able to get your hair cut this weekend. And we'll have the new normal for the restaurants coming through. See how that's going to work out. So, okay. See you next time.